Okay guys, welcome back. In the last video we created a script that allowed us to have a small conversation with our console that it would say our name after we input our name and told it what it was. The script would allow you to do basically the same thing, but however you were able to type in whatever you wanted as long as it was a letter and it was below 100 characters. So now what we're going to do is elaborate on that, and we're going to start to make a simple question, quiz, game, whatever you want to call it. And we are going to also go into more detail about the second one of our variable types, the integer. Last time we used char, now we're going to use integer. So, what we're going to do here, first we're going to build off of our char to use it a bit more differently. So we're going to add another char variable. Char. We're going to change this char variable, say first name. This char is going to be the last name. Still same thing. Okay. We're going to rewrite this entire thing. So, char, out. Hello, what is your name? Name, \n. cn. So, instead of just being able to type in one name, because if you tested around with this from the last video, you find out that what we did last time only allowed you to type in something and you couldn't have any spaces. So this time we're going to allow it so that you can have spaces in your name, allowing you to have first and last name. So cn, we're going to have first name, which is this variable, the char variable. I'm going to go up to 100 characters. First name, that is quotations with nothing but just a single space in there. And last name. We're gonna continue that, press end L because we want to have a new line, but we don't have any parentheses to end the line with, so we're just gonna say end L, which just comes in handy when you don't have any parentheses there for you to use. First name. Ah, wrong one. Wrong thing. Wait a minute. Your first name. Yeah, okay. Sorry. First name, and cn. Last name. Yeah, I got it, okay. Sorry. First name, then cn, last name. And then cout. Do that. Nice to meet. Nice to meet you. First name. First name. Space. Last name. Hope you're well. Do a new line with that. Yeah, I forgot to end it. There we go. That'll help. Okay. If we wait. System. Pause. Return 0. And closing bracket to match the one up there. So when main is called, which is going to happen the very first thing, it's going to do all of this. It's going to start to execute this from the top to the bottom. Let's build that. Hopefully it'll get successful. It should be successful. If you did it right, and if I did it right. Okay, F5, we're gonna do this now. And what the heck? It just quit. No reason. Yes, enter debug mode, please. Exit debug mode. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Must have been something wrong with my computer. I just kind of exited. It's not supposed to do that. Anyway, Zachary. Here's my first name, Zachary. And last name, Draskor. Zachary Draskor. It's nice to meet you, Zachary Draskor. I hope you are well. Press any key to continue. Bam. Okay. Because once you pressed, the first thing you typed in, the first body of letters, was your first name. Then you exited that with a space. Then you typed in last name. And then, once you press enter, it would take those both in. Then it'd do this. Then recite what you changed your first name to be and what you changed your last name to be. And then it would continue to recite, I hope you're well. And then it would pause and wait for further input. That's how it works. Now, I don't know if we have enough time to get into the rest of this, but we're going to start off with it. Wait, no. I'm going to declare an integer variable. Let's call it user input. Generic. Okay. User input. Whoa. I think that's how it's supposed to go. If not, it's like that. Oh yeah. User input equals 0. That's it. Look here, user input is currently 0. Make sure to have a semicolon there. So now we can say cout. Let's get some space between that and the system thing there. Cout. Here is the first question. Yay! Break line. Cout. Do you like pie? And then we're gonna break that. Cout. And we will continue this in the next video. So, hopefully this will help you. This last part will not make much sense until you watch the next video, because that's when I explain what I'm doing. Okay, so before we run out of time, this is Draskor. See you in the next video.